Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in our Python interpreter series. This is on importing the random module so that you can use random integers inside of your project. So hope you enjoy. We're going to go ahead and jump right into this project and continue on the same theme as we have in the rest of the series, which is fruit calculations. In order to use random integers, we have to import this module, which is called random, and we do that by typing in import random. And now we have access to some new commands here within the Python interpreter. So now that we've imported the random module, we can get started. Now, if I wanted to make a variable called mystery number, and I want to make it a random number, I could do it like this: random, to use the random module, dot random integer function, and I need to pass in the values for minimum and maximum. This is for the range. Pick a number basically between 0 and 100. It could be whatever you want, 555. We'll do it as 100. So mystery number is now a random integer between 0 and 100. And if I type in mystery number, it'll print back out to me the value that's stored there. And if I do it again, I can just push the up arrow to use my last line of code. I get 22. Now, I'm not just getting really unlucky or maybe lucky, and it's giving me 22 each time. It's not actually reinitializing the assignment for the value associated with mystery number. So in order to make this a little bit better, to make it actually give us a new mystery number each time, we're going to put it inside of a function. And so we're going to make a function, and I'm going to give it a name. How about get mystery number? Be whatever you want, but I'm going to say get mystery number. I'm going to take in no arguments, so I'm going to leave my parentheses blank. And inside of here, I'm going to do the same line as above, mystery number. And it's a variable. It's going to be of a type integer. And it's a random integer between 0 and 100. And you might be thinking right now, well, how is this any different than before? We're still setting mystery number equal to a random integer, so each time we call the function, wouldn't it just give us what was stored before? Well, let's do a test. So we're going to access our getMystery function, our getMysteryNumber function, by typing it in here. Okay, 25. 25 is not 22. So we're definitely getting something new here. Let's call the function again. Once again, you can hit the up arrow to use your last code. And look at that. I'm getting a new random value each time. Oops. Unexpected indent. So I did something wrong. There we go. Okay, so what's happening here? Why is this the case? So this is happening because these function calls work like a loop, and every time it goes through the loop, it reinitializes the code that's inside of it. So every time it starts again through this function, it gets a new mystery number, which is a random integer between this range, and it prints it out. This is a dynamic way of creating variables, or even changing variables for that matter. Whereas before, if we just declare it outside of a function, it'll just be set, it'll be static, and it won't change. So this is how we can use a random integer variable assignment inside of a function, and every time that function is called, we get new values, as you can see here. What's sad is in my previous example, I wasn't hitting record. I actually, on my 4th and 5th try or so, I had 0 and 100. I was not lucky this time. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is just looking at one of the modules that's available in Python, but it is a lot of fun to mess around with because you can create a lot of cool games, such as rock, paper, scissors, and guess the number games, both versus the computer or the computer against you. So a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to leave a like or a comment down below. Subscribe if you enjoy these videos, and we will see you down the road. Stay safe out there. Happy coding.